Well, good afternoon everybody, welcome back to the channel, Motorhoming Fun. As you can see, we're back out on day 2 of our adventures to Pinewoods at Wells next to sea in Norfolk, and we've got a slightly better gap in the weather at the moment. We might have an hour where it's not so heavy rain, guys, and that, so we're going to head out again. I think we're going to have a little wander through the pine forest and probably back onto the beach, and that, guys, it might be the driest area in case it does rain. So yeah, that's the intentions for this afternoon. Hope you enjoyed this morning's wet little walk around Wells, and that, guys, we were pretty soaked by the time we got back. We got a different mac on this afternoon and the funny hat on as well, guys, so no laughing there, guys. So yeah, let's do this walk this afternoon then. We'll see you all soon. So we're gonna head back out the bottom gate, same as we did yesterday, guys. Just skirt around the edge of the forest, and then we'll pick it up in the centre where we took to the beach yesterday, guys. And we're gonna go to the left direction towards Holcombe. Right, so as I said, we're going to head out to the bottom entrance gate. A few more puddles than there was first thing this morning and yesterday, but we're not too bad at the moment. Very light drizzle in the air, but we're not getting soaked. Right, so we're heading up to the Pinewoods forest now. Just a little information board there. I think this guy's saying, "Where's the ball, Dad?" Well, it's in the backpack, but she won't have it until we're back on the beach. As you can see, it's a different look to the woodland today. A bit dull, as I say, overcast. And that yesterday the sun was shining through. Not to worry, guys, we take it as it comes, don't we, the weather. Right, so we're gonna head down this way, guys, see what we can see. It's just different scenery for us all, and that.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the Monday.
Here you go, we just walked back from that direction. So some of these trees are quite beautiful. We just let a manga pie, got 2 dogs, and I think they were annoying Sky, so that's why we stopped. We'll still head down this way on my birthday afternoon walk. Various little tracks you can go on. But guys, as I say, I'm not too really sure where we're heading to. All I know is the beach will always be on my right hand side, so we can drop down and cut in at any point and come in on the top dunes. Just have to keep my eye on Sky. She goes off chasing rabbits or squirrels. Sounds like we've got a helicopter above. Sky, this way. Come on. Looks like we've got to go under the tree. Or maybe I'll step over it. Right, that's a bit better. Didn't fancy doing the limbo.
Treasure dive. I've got nothing to lose. After years with the blues. Oh, you know about them ice and love. An angel is what I need to bring me up to full speed. Shades of blue holds feather wings and arms made out of golden strings. I'll give anything to say hello. Come on over here. Lower them stairs. I've got all the tools. After years with the blues. Oh, you know about them ice and lows. An angel is what I need to bring me up to full
You can see it's very muddy and dirty here. Probably the worst bit of the forest.
Shades of blue, holds feather wings, and arms made out of golden strings. I give anything.
Right, just for the record, we're about 1.6 miles in now from the campsite. And it keeps going and going this. You go all the way to Holcombe Beach. I think we're going to look for a little cut through soon, get us onto the beach sooner. I think Sky's in her element. She's just going chasing around forests and beaches. No stopping her. Right, we're going to head down the bottom here now. I think we've got the beach in sight. I think I can hear the water as well. Right, let's see what we can see over the top. I would imagine we're just on the sand dunes. I think we are. There we go. You've got Holcombe Beach in the distance. Right, I think we're going to cut through the middle here. Otherwise we'll be walking along the sand dune area all the way back. Right, as you can see, it splits three ways. That will take you to the Holcombe side of the beach. We've got a little split in the middle there, which will take us to the beach itself. And down that way, that will head back towards Wells next to sea, to the beach cafe, etc. And that's so we'll head down here. Weather's looking half decent at the moment. I did check on my phone and it is looking like it's going to rain about 3 o'clock. We're currently 2 o'clock at the moment, so hopefully we've got an hour to do this walk and get back, and then we'll get back for a birthday chocolate eclair and a coffee. At least she's found a bit of water to wash those dirty paws off. Right, I think Sky's been saying, "Dad, where's my ball?" Because I'm merrily filming and forgetting about the sky and the ball. Let's head over these dunes. Oh, we have some water. Right. How about that then, guys? Not a soul on the beach, as I can see. Let's head down to the water's edge. But no drying with us, guys. I deemed it to be a little bit possibly wet this afternoon. Miles and miles of open beach.
Need some just wait. Wait for better days to come and carry us like wind in our sails. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us if we just hold on tight. This vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. We are dreamers of the shore. 7 years now on this boat, and we all know where we belong. Just wait. Wait for our home to show on the horizon soon.
Right,
We'll
the
be
big huts are in distance now, so we can cut through by that last one, or the first one. And that, guys, and yeah, it's been a lovely walk.
we just hold on tight. This vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. We are dreamers of the shore when we can't read the sky. We just sail with the wind that we've got. And when we're drowning in doubt, just keep on believing. We are dreamers of the shore.
Right, time to head back off the beach. A little wander through the pine forest and then back to the motorhome. Hopefully we've done this before the main rain comes. Right, quick look around. Right, I think we're going to conclude this vlog, walking vlog guys, birthday walk, and that, thank you very much. If you made it to the end, please do give me a like, a comment, subscribe and hit that bell icon. If you haven't already guys, you'll get the latest updates when we do more filming and they're released and that. So yeah, thanks again. As I say, I probably look a bit funny with a hat on and that guys, but it was practical this afternoon, although we probably didn't need it in the end and that. But yeah, thanks again, and on to day 3 tomorrow. So thanks again, and we'll see you all soon.